Hi guys, today we're going to look at how we can create realistic looking terrain from real world height data. Okay, we'll start by creating a 3D project in Unity Hub. Previously, we've looked at how to sculpt terrain by hand, but in this video we're going to look at an alternative using images known as height maps. A height map is a greyscale image that contains height information. The darker pixels represent areas of low height and the lighter pixels represent higher areas. There are various sources online that you can get free height maps from, but we're going to look at this one that allows you to create height maps of the real world. This resource was created for generating terrain for the game Cities Skylines, but it will work just as well in Unity. You can find a link to this website in the description. Basically, it allows us to select any 18 by 18 kilometre square area on the map, and then create a height map for that area. We'll select this mountainous area in the UK. We'll click on the information icon and make a note of the maximum height. Then we'll click Download and save it to the Assets folder of our project. Back in Unity, we can see the generated grayscale height map. To create terrain from this image, we need to add the Terrain Tools package. To do this, we'll go to Window, Package Manager. Then we'll select the Unity registry as the source. The terrain tools are still in preview, so we'll need to click on the cog and open the Advanced Project Settings. We'll click Enable Preview Packages. Then we'll search for Terrain Tools and install the package. If you're using Unity 2021, then this package may not be visible, but we have a video showing how to work around this. To create the terrain, we'll go to Window, Terrain, Terrain Toolbox. We'll then check the Import Height Map checkbox and expand this section. We'll select the height map texture. Then we need to adjust the settings to match the size of the height map. The area was 18 km by 18 km, so we'll set the width and height to 18,000 meters. The maximum height of the area was 1061, so we'll set the height to this. Then we'll just click on Create. We now have realistic looking terrain without having to do any sculpting ourselves. The problem is that a single terrain this size isn't that performant. There are also limitations on the number of textures you can have per terrain. We can improve this by splitting the terrain into multiple connected tiles. To do this, we'll go back to the Terrain toolbox. Then we'll click on the Terrain Utilities tab and expand the Terrain Edit section. From here, we can choose how many tiles we want to split the terrain into. We'll set this to 16 on the X and Y axis. We'll deselect the Keep Original Terrain checkbox so that the original is deleted, and then we'll click Split. This has now split the terrain into 256 connected tiles, each about 1 km by 1 km, which will be much easier to manage and optimise going forward. Okay, that covers everything for this video. Hope you found it useful. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments, and subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. If you find our channel useful and would like to help support our work, you can find us on Patreon and Ko-fi.com. Thanks guys!